All right, folks. So it's official that we are remote until after Thanksgiving. So I wanted to present you with some expectations during remote science, right? Like you expected me to give you a little new expectations, didn't you? Okay, so here's the deal. In science, we are going to work daily, not weekly. So every day, I expect you to be completing your assignments, and I expect you to try your best on those assignments. You're going to notice that I'm going to set them to post at 7 in the morning, and I expect them to be done by 3. Also, some days you'll have an in-class, well, every day you'll have an in-class. Some days, just like we would here, you'll also have homework. So make sure that you're completing those on time and trying your best on them. Make sure, and this goes for every class, that you're checking your email a couple times a day so that you don't miss anything. And this communicate with me is also important. I see 2 ways to do it: email, and you can also text me through Remind. Let's say that you know you have an appointment and you are not going to get something done by the 3 o'clock due time, I should say. And just email me and let me know that. But if you don't email me, then it's not going to count um, as a good timely work completion. Now, also have some patience with me, because with a lot now, all my students digital, I won't necessarily be able to get to you all just the moment you want me. Please be academically honest when you're doing your assignments. That means that you are not um, copying someone else's work. You are not plagiarizing from the internet, that you are showing me what you understand. Also, I want you to be part of my Remind. Most of you are, but if you're not part of my Remind, if you just shoot me a quick email and say, can you invite me to be on your Remind, I can do that. And then I've added this for this year. Last year I did not do this, but I feel the need to make some office hours. Now, here's what I mean by that. If you email or text me within 8 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon, you can expect that I'll get back to you that day. You are welcome to email or text later than 3, but I may not get back to you till the next day. I might if I have the time, but I may not. So just keep in mind that these are the hours that I'm setting as my office hours. Now, I also will always post a weekly overview. I'm making it part of this presentation, but I expect that you'll watch that every day. I generally post it on Sundays. You don't have to watch it on a Sunday, but you certainly can watch it on a Monday. But if you want to watch it on Sunday to get an idea of what's coming, you can. So notice that I have our in-class and homework and then a Zoom category. So this is just like our agenda on the board. In class, you're going to do actually 2 small lessons. We're going to finish up for tomorrow on Wednesday our stream table work. So the rate of flow and the glaciers, both of those are shorter than gradient, so it's not overwhelming to think you could finish that in a class day. That's what we would have done in class tomorrow. Now, the homework is a short stream table review to prepare you for Friday's test. Thursday is a scored assignment. I've told you a little about it. You're going to be designing your own experiment. And then the homework would have been to study for your test. So there'll be a Google Slides presentation on Thursday for you to check your review. You'll study that review and your Quizlet to prepare for Friday's stream table test. Now, one other thing, many of you have already turned in your National Park Spotlight preference sheet, but I'm going to post one on Wednesday to go in. You don't have to do that, but if you have not done it and you want to, you're just going to have to submit it digitally. And then Zoom meetings are always going to be upon request. If you want to meet with me over Zoom and work on something together or have questions answered in a more face-to-face video chat, we can do that. So this is still school. I expect that you'll be there doing your very best, and I'm here to help.